Hey everyone, welcome to this amazing channel. Today, we are diving deep into the world of artificial intelligence with a focus on Claude AI. If you've ever wondered what Claude AI is, why it's so important, and how it all started, you are in the right place. Let's get started. I've divided this video into two sections. In the first section, I will explain everything about Claude AI. In the second section, I will discuss how to write efficient prompts, also known as prompt engineering, to help you get the desired output from Claude AI. Section 1. What exactly is Claude AI? Claude AI is a highly advanced AI model created by Anthropic. It's part of a group of models known as generative pre-trained transformers. Essentially, it's an AI that can understand and generate text just like humans. The magic of Claude AI lies in how it learns. It uses deep learning, which is like how our brains learn from experience, to process and create text. By training on a vast amount of internet data, like books and websites, it learns language nuances, grammar, and even some common knowledge. Now, you might be wondering, why is Claude AI so important? Well, there are several reasons. Firstly, it has revolutionized the way we interact with machines. With Claude AI, we can have more natural and meaningful conversations with AI, making technology more accessible and user-friendly. Claude AI is being used in a variety of fields. For instance, in customer support, it can handle queries efficiently, reducing the need for human intervention. In content creation, it helps writers brainstorm ideas and generate text quickly. In education, it provides personalized tutoring and answers to students' questions. The possibilities are endless. Let's take a step back and look at the evolution of Claude AI. It all started with the development of generative pre-trained transformers, and Claude AI is one of the latest models in this series. With its advanced capabilities, Claude AI continues to build on the strengths of its predecessors, offering even more accuracy, coherence, and versatility. Now let's go to our official Claude AI website. First, let me give you an overview of the website. Below, we have our prompt area. The prompt area is where we write our queries or give commands to our LLM or Claude AI. Currently, we are using the free version of Claude AI. However, Claude AI also offers some more advanced models that are currently paid, such as the Claude AI Haiku and Opus models. But we are going with the free version, which should not be underestimated. You can chat with it like regular chatbots such as ChatGPT and Gemini, but you can also upload any type of file to it. For example, to upload a file, click on the Add Content button, then select a file from your PC and upload it. For example, I click on this icon, select a file from my desktop, and upload it. Then, I simply write, "Give me the summary of this document," and also request 10 hashtags for it. After some time, it starts generating my summary and provides the hashtags at the end. In the left section, we have our chat history. All the chats you've had with Claude AI are stored there as history. This is all about the brief overview of Claude AI website, and now let's go to our second section. You may ask why prompt engineering is important or why prompts play a major role in getting a response from Claude AI. Prompt engineering is important because it helps shape how effectively a language model like Claude AI responds to our questions and commands. Imagine it like giving clear instructions to a very smart assistant. When we use well-crafted prompts, we ensure that the model understands exactly what we are asking for, which makes its answers more accurate and useful. In a single sentence, it is like a garbage in, garbage out mechanism. Now how do you write an efficient prompt so that you get the answer you want? For this, I am going to tell you the 5 prompt techniques which will help you write efficient prompts. Be clear and specific. Clearly state what you want to know or achieve. Avoid vague or ambiguous language. Like, instead of asking, "Tell me about Python," ask, "What are the main features of Python programming language?" Provide context. Give background information or set the scene to help the model understand the situation or topic. Like, "I am a beginner in learning Python. Can you explain what variables are and how to use them?" Specify the audience. Indicate who the information is for, which can help tailor the response. Like, explain the concept of machine learning to a high school student. Used sequential instructions. Break down complex queries into step-by-step instructions to get a more accurate response. Like, first, explain what a variable is in programming. Then, provide an example of how to declare a variable in Python. And the last one is, use examples. This technique, also known as one-shot prompting. One-shot prompting refers to a strategy in which the model is shown one task-specific example before presenting the actual prompt. In this approach, we provide a sample that acts as a reference for the model. Like there is an example for converting or translate English to French. If you use these techniques for writing your prompt, you will definitely improve your Claude AI response. So, this all about why prompt engineering is so crucial when using ChatGPT, and how to write effective prompts to get the best responses. So, this is Simplify AI. And I hope you like this video, and if you want more video on latest advancement on AI around the globe, you can subscribe our channel for future updates.